Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. How's everyone doing? Hope you had a bomb weekend. Woo! I seem chipper today, huh? Okay, so what are we here for today on this beautiful Monday? We are going to be talking about, I was going to do a makeup tutorial for beginners. I posted if you guys wanted to see that, and I got a great response that you do. So I am going to be doing that this week. I'm going to be doing a video, like a beginner makeup tutorial, and I think I'm going to do it where like you could do a look with like mattes and then turn it into like shimmers for the night. Like, what do you think of that? Something, and it'll be super easy. It'll look intense, but it'll be really easy. So what do you guys think of that? Let me know down below. But today we are here to talk about something I have already touched on, the Isle of Paradise self-tanning water. Has anyone ever heard of self-tanning water? If you haven't, I will link down below for the link for Sephora where you can purchase this and other products from this brand. So I actually used the self-tanning drops, these exact ones, or spray I should say, and I used it for the one to combat redness. There's like 3 different ones, and I went to reorder it and it happened to be out, so I ordered the self-tanning water in dark, and I was like, well, I'm super light, so let's see if this is like, oh, it works good on dark skin, or oh, this is gonna make my light skin darker than the other one would have. So yeah, it says with color correcting actives to even skin tone, hello bronzed glow. So I'm excited to try this one. Packed with organic tanning actives, avocado, chai seed, and coconut oils for a happy, hydrated glow. We love clean tanning, so you'll never find these in our products. Parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, or phthalates. So anyway, I ordered this off Sephora on VIB, so free shipping. It's $28 on the site. You could also purchase the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops, which is a littler bottle. It's drops you put into lotion you already have. So if there's something that you love, a product that you already lather all over your body, I think that would be a great option. They have a self-tanning mousse, and they have Disco Tan Instant like wash off body bronzer, so it washes the self tanner off. That's $22, and then the mousse is $29. All of their products have 4 stars or above into 5, so that's a good sign. They're all organic. I just think they're awesome. So I actually apply this with a mitt. Usually I have a brand new mitt right here. Then I started doing something where I was applying it just like spritzing it on and then rubbing it with my hands instead of the mitt to see how that worked, like how it moved the product around, and it actually worked really well and didn't leave me streaky. So why don't we could try both ways. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it on film like to this area, and then I am going to apply to the rest of my body off camera, wait 4 hours because that's how long it's supposed to take to start working, 4 to 6 hours. It does work at 4. I've used this product, so I do know that you can see a visible difference. I can always check in on my Instagram tomorrow and show you like what it looks like the next day. I do have a tad bit of the other one left, but we're gonna do like a before and after comparison picture so you can see like where I started and where it took me to. And I think since it's the dark one, we're gonna see like it's either gonna work or it's not gonna work. It's not gonna matter that I have a little bit left on. Know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take, normally I love like the Bum Bum cream, that's one of my favorite lotions, but for this where I'm just really taking the lotion and putting it like on my elbows, on my wrists, to prevent streaking, I just use something simple, this Cerave Baby Moisturizing Lotion. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. So I just take a pump and I put it all over where it's gonna possibly cause streaking. And guys, this is something I didn't do when I first got into self tanners, so I recommend doing this. All right, we got that on. So I'm gonna show you kind of like just spraying it and then rubbing with my hands, and then we'll jump in with the mitt after. And you can just buy a mitt. I think I ordered this on Amazon for like $4. It's an Australian gold. You can get mitts all over the place. So we're just gonna take this and take a couple spritzes. Get it going. It has a very nice mist and a very nice smell. You can see I look wet to the touch. I believe it actually says you're not supposed to rub it around, but in all honesty, I do. That's just my preference. So I'm gonna take it down the arms. I mean, you really have to, you know? There's no way you're gonna, I don't think, spray evenly without rubbing it around a little bit. So got that. And then we'll do over here. You know what? I'm gonna do it all just with my hands and no mitt, because I know how it spreads with a mitt. I think that's what I used on the last one, which I will link that video down below too. So let's see how it works, because I mean technically they don't even sell a mitt. So let's see how it works, just rubbing it around with our hands. So we have our upper body done. I don't apply to the face. Something I do want to touch on. I use St. Tropez or whatever it's called. I really liked it. It really got me dark. I sprayed it on my face a couple times and it wasn't the face one. I'm still dealing with the aftermath. I think this is from just too much product on my face. I will say that I sprayed my face with this a couple times and I did not notice the extreme horrible reaction. So if you are going to spray something on your face and you don't have a specific self tanner for the face, I would go with something like this, which is all natural, over one of those other ones. So anyway, I'm gonna go finish my body and then we will be back in 4 hours to see what my tan has developed like. Hi guys, I'm back. I have makeup on my face now because I did a look. It's like kind of worn off because I did it right at the beginning and I didn't really prep it. Took it off my lips. What do you think? I used the Nervina palette on my eyes. But anyway, it has been 4 hours. Can you see a difference between like the film right before this and now? I'm gonna insert pictures. I am able to tell a difference. I was looking at the pictures. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can tell on this film, but yeah, it definitely is a difference. I don't know if I think it's necessarily darker than the other one. Like, I don't know if it's considered, I don't know if I would consider this dark. I feel like maybe they meant it more like it's for a darker skin tone. It's not going to make your skin dark. You know what else? You know why it doesn't look as dark? Because I put makeup on my face and the makeup matches my self tanner. Like the face you saw before all this was like pale as could be. So we have to go by like just this here and like ignore the face. But yeah, so I definitely like this one. I think the smell is a little bit different. I can't even explain it. I think I like the other smell more. This one's not bad. I just think I like the other one more. Overall, I do like this product. I mean, it's a little sticky. It's not horrible. I'm able to leave it on. It doesn't bother me. Like, I'm able to leave it on overnight and like wash it off tomorrow. I don't know why. Maybe just because I know the products aren't bad. It doesn't like freak me out. But yeah, so I like it. I'm happy with it, just like I was happy with it previously. I'm a little bit sad that I didn't notice like a huge difference in darkness this one compared to the other one, but it's no big deal. I mean, like, it's organic, it's a great product, it works, so I'm happy. And it's like tanning water. It's just so cool. It's tanning water. So let me know down below what you guys think of the products, if you've tried it, if you plan on trying it. This is the perfect time, winter, because we're all gonna be pale, so we gotta get our fake tans on, hey. Check out my Jeffree Star giveaway on my Instagram, going on for a couple more days, and all my makeup looks as well are always over there. That is linked down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I think that's it. I will be bringing you guys a beginner makeup tutorial at some point this week, and then maybe a product review. A good product on the way, so I will see you guys later this week. Thank you. Love you.